Hi, it's Rupert from ZL Systems, just going over a manufacturer job in Accredo. In Accredo you can record a kit set product with the components that make up that product. So under Maintain, Inventory Control, Products, you can see that we've got a kit set product here with all the components that make up that product. You can see the individual items and the quantities required to make up that item. With our custom scripts, this will allow you to create a production job, enter the cost onto that job, and then manufacture that item back into stock. So to create a production for that item, we click on Create Production Job. We give it a quick name. We select the item that we want to produce, enter in how many of that item we want to produce, and click OK. This will then set up a job for us. Also bring in the estimates that we expect to use on this job. And on this screen here, it shows us the summary of the costs. From here, when we want to produce this job, we click on Create Production Batch. Enter in the involved job code, or select it from the drop down, and then click OK. This will then create a production batch, which you can see on the job screen has been recorded as a pending cost. From here, with this production batch, you can obviously edit it and update the details of the actual items used on this job. So for instance, I can say, well, we've used more of that in this case, and we've, for instance, used more of this. From there, you can save this and then post. Clicking post will put this cost onto the job and use the items up out of stock. Now if we go back to the job maintenance screen, we can see how much we've estimated and how much actual costs have gone onto the job. From here we can click on manufacture items, and then obviously type in the job code again and click OK. This now will bring up the screen and say this is the item that we're expected to create from this job, and we're expected to create 5 of them. If, for instance, when you're making this job, for something happened to the item and it got damaged in the manufacture process, so you actually lost one, we can actually reduce this quantity down to 4. And click OK. And this now will then complete the job and receipt this item into stock. So if I go under Maintain, Inventory Control, Products, look under the Transaction tab, we can see the receipted item in here, and we can see the quantity 4. For any more details, visit our website, zlsystems.co.nz.